Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Voxi account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in voxi.co.uk like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Voxi account login like this on Google itself, and you can see the Voxi sign into your account page appear on the first Google result. Click over there, and basically we will be landing on the same page on a few moments. Let's accept all the cookies to proceed with the sign in. And after you land on the Voxi's homepage, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click there, and after that now you can see both of these websites are same. Now let's close one of these, and after that you will need to enter your username and password over here, and then click on next to sign into your Voxi account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, just simply click on over here, and after that you will be taken to a procedure where you can retrieve your username and password. And there guys, this is how you log into your Voxi account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.